Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Quiz Info. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel Quiz Info and press the bell button for new videos notifications. Without any further delay, let's start. Let's spin the wheel. Let's go for squishy box quizzes. Pick your squishy teddy bear. Which box will you open? Rainbow, galaxy or orange? Damn a squishy orange bear? No way! Choose your squishy bunk bed. Which box will you open for your bunk bed? Red, green or blue? Damage bunk bed on blue squishy box? No way! Now choose your squishy train. Which squishy box will you open for your train? Oh no, broken train on rainbow box. Choose your squishy bathroom. Which box will you open for your squishy bathroom? Damage blue squishy bathroom? No way! Now choose your dollhouse. Which squishy box will you open for your dollhouse? Rainbow, galaxy or orange? Broken dollhouse in galaxy box? No way! Choose your squishy gaming room. Which squishy box will you open for your gaming room? Red, green or blue? Red gaming room was damaged. Choose one squishy box for your backpack. Which squishy box will you open for your backpack? Rainbow, galaxy or orange? Damaged backpack in galaxy box? Now choose your squishy study room. Which squishy box will you open for your study room? Abandoned study room in green squishy box? No way! Now choose your dream bedroom. Which squishy dumpling will you choose for your dream bedroom? Comment yes if you are satisfied with your gift. Let's choose your squishy kitchen. Which squishy box will you open for your kitchen? Oh no, green kitchen was damaged. Would you rather like this video or your finger get paralyzed? Like this video if you don't want to paralyze your finger. Now choose one squishy dumpling for your sports car. Comment which gift did you get? Choose your squishy pool. Which squishy box will you open for your swimming pool? Abundant red squishy swimming pool? No way! Choose one squishy dumpling for your rocket. Oh no, orange squishy rocket was damaged. Now choose your squishy burger. Which squishy box will you open for your burger? Red, green or blue? Root and blue burger? No way! Which squishy box will you open for your piggy bank? Comment which gift did you get? Let's spin again. Let's go for random quizzes. Would you move into this mansion? Yes, no, maybe or never. Choose carefully. Congratulations, a dream luxury mansion. Can you find the odd blue Squishy Dumpling? This blue Squishy Dumpling is odd. Can you guess the social media by this illusion? Correct answer is Instagram. Can you spot the differences between these two images? They are right here. Can you find these hidden objects in this image? Here are those. Which emoji is not like others? This Squishy Dumpling emoji is not like others. Would you rather Winnie the Pooh bedroom or Hello Kitty bedroom? Comment which bedroom do you like most. Choose one door for your pizza. Which door will open for your pizza? Rainbow, green or lava? Root and rainbow pizza? No way! Would you rather Spider-Man bunk bed or Kurome bunk bed or Hello Kitty bunk bed? Choose your bunk bed now. Which pop emoji is similar to the circle? This pop emoji is similar to the circle. Would you rather trade your bicycle for this? Oh no, the new bike is rusty, broken and missing both wheels. Can you identify the differences between these two images? There are the differences. Can you guess the social media by this illusion? Correct answer is YouTube. Can you spot those hidden objects in this image? They are right here. Can you find the odd emoji out? This emoji is odd. Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Quiz Info and press the bell button for new videos notifications.